Hello everyone that stopped by. This is my video for January collaboration. I was so inspired. That is done by Call Me Crafty, her channel is called. I'll link to the playlist so you can go and check everybody's videos out and see what wonderful creations they've come up with. So what we need to do this month is videos that we've seen that's inspired us to make something. We need to share the project that we've made, and this month I've made a mini loaded pocket in the Valentine's theme. I will link to the lady's channel where I got the inspiration from, and she shows you how to do 3 mini pockets made from 6x6 pieces of paper, scrapbook paper. So it's really easy to do, so I'll show you what I've done for mine. This is the front pocket, there's the back pocket, and there's the big pocket. So we'll start unloading the front pocket. So I've put some cut out words with that says with love. I've done a cupcake stamp and coloured it in. It has got I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, but it has got what do you call it, Spectrum Noir, the glitter noir pens on there. That's a die cut butterfly. This is another little butterfly, and that has got the shimmer on it as well, but you can't really see it. And we'll turn it round. It's a heart stamped and fussy cut out. It isn't picking it up at all. Oh, there you go, it picks it up a bit there with the shimmer on. This is a little dress that I've made. These are hearts, so I think the Americans call them conversation hearts, we call them love hearts. It's a die that I've got, and other little hearts are put in there as well. These are 3 mini envelopes, and I've got a die for that, and it's a cheap die from China. It's 99p. That's just a little handmade embellishment. What there is there. Let's go. And in the main pocket I've done my own sequin mix in there, and stamped the heart there, and I've just closed it up with washi tape. And I've included a strip of 6 tags for them to die cut out, well, fussy cut out, and a bookmark or tag, whatever you want to call it, and I've just put some organza on the top of it. So I will link the video that inspired me to go and make this, and actually I made it a Facebook swap in our group. Again, I will link to our Facebook swap group if you're interested in joining our group and joining swaps. I'll link to the UK only one, and I'll link to the international Facebook groups. So if you'd like to go and check those out, become a member. It's really nice groups. The international group has got a chat room on Messenger for all the members to chat and have a laugh, have a giggle, come along and say hello. Very, very friendly. So I'll link those 2 groups as well down below. And that was my inspired project, well, the project that I made from the video that inspired me. Thank you very much for watching, and please go and check out the playlist for the collaboration. Bye!